Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to remind yourself to charge at 10% on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're a heavy phone user and you kind of forget to charge your phone, you can create a routine to set a low battery reminder for yourself. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the app called Modes and Routine. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on plus sign. Now here, you want to go ahead and create a new routine. So we'll go if. We'll find something related to battery. So if battery level is less than 10%, then here you can go ahead and choose if you want to show notification or play sound. I wouldn't recommend showing notification as your phone already shows you notification to charge your phone. However, you can go ahead and add the function to play the sound. So go ahead and search for play sound or play music. Now you want to go ahead and choose what music you want to play. So you can go ahead and choose a Spotify music, press save, give it a name. And now when your battery level is 10% or below, this routine will start up and will play a sound. So you never get caught with a dead phone again, especially before heading out. So there you go guys, that is how to remind yourself to charge your phone at 10% battery or below.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.